Hi guys, it's Trendsetter here, and today I'm doing a bit of a different video. I haven't been here for long, so I've been travelling, and I bought something in Dubai. I was in Dubai yesterday, and I just want to show you it. So, it comes in this bag. I'll let you know what it is by the title anyway. It's Gucci. We got something from Gucci. Now, I haven't got anything from Gucci yet, so I thought for my first purchase, I may as well go big or go home. Now, they did a little bow tie on top. It's the new season. See, it's the spring summer 2018. It comes in this really cute box, really nice and well packaged, I would say. So we open it up. Oh, I haven't seen it. And it comes in this silk dust bag. Let's lift this one up. Oh, I've got a glimpse. You ready? Now this is the men's pouch. The new season pouch. Wait, it's called the Gucci Courrier GG Supreme pouch. Got it here. It's really nice. I really like it. So basically what this is, I put that down. Basically what this is just a pouch where you can take all your stuff. They're really trendy. In Dubai, I saw lots of people with these. They had Louis Vuitton ones, they had all sorts of different designers, and you just put it around your wrist and you carry it around like this, and you can put all of your stuff in. Oh. Just leaflets of Gucci. Many different leaflets. Now there is lots of stuff in here, packaging, that I need to take out. So, stuck on my wrist. So you put that around your wrist and you carry it around. And inside, it has spots for your cards. There's a big pouch here and a big bit here. It's just very good for carrying around and looking good. So let me walk you through it. This, I don't know what this is, but it's just a, see, it's like sewn on. This is also sewn on. This says "Blind for Love" in French. Gucci. This is the lion head. The signature Gucci. The Gucci logo. The spaceship with the lasers. And a really old Gucci logo. It says Gucci & Co on it. And it's let me just have a quick read. I think it's canvas. Travel continues to be a source of inspiration for whatever his name is. A collection of accessories in the GG motif is enriched with a blend of complementary embroideries like the UFO and vintage inspired details, including our airmail trims, which is the trim on the outside, which is like a mail, like, you know, airmail trims, and vintage Gucci vintage logo from the archives, which is this one, this on there. The appliques are individually embroidered and then skillfully hand applied to each piece by specialised artisans. This process ensures that no item will be alike, giving each a one-of-a-kind appearance. I did not know that. So this isn't like anyone else's one. It was made in Italy. It's cotton lining inside. There's 6 card slots with 1 open pocket. There is, oh, let me show you this detail. The zip. Zips the UFO. Lovely piece. And yeah, it is canvas. It's definitely canvas. And it's just a really nice piece to just take around when you're going out classy, or when you're, I don't know, want to carry stuff and empty your pockets. There's a pocket emptier, really. You could just put whatever you want in it. And yeah, I think it's really nice piece for the money. Now this side's open for a bit more space and this side's closed. It's just a really, really lovely piece, and I'm really happy I got this instead of anything else, because I don't know, this is just me, it's just different. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you for watching. I will be making more videos in the future. I've just been travelling a lot really, so I didn't have time to make any more videos, but I'm back now and I will be making more videos. So if you liked it, please like it and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.